All right, and the last thing I want to show you in the demo for this section is Skipfish. So there are two flavors of it. First is coming from Google, I think directly. So it was developed by their internal security team, as internal as a security team in Google could be. So they shared it to the public. It's open source. You can just check it out from GitHub or install it in Homebrew. So after some bug fixing, you will get it running. And one thing I want to tell you is it's really easy to burn your server down by using Skipfish. Yeah, it's really fast. It's wicked fast. And the second flavor is provided by Subgraph Vega. It's like the graphical user interface over it. So Skipfish, of course, has a lot of configurable options. We will use some default one, I guess. Yeah, so we'll just specify an output directory and give it the base URL. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's showing you some help message. Yeah, I'll just start. We'll start doing things in 60 seconds, or we can just press any key to continue. And it has started. We can see the progress. By this percentage here. And there is some metadata on the statistics of what's going on. But that doesn't give us much information about the vulnerability of the code until it's finished. We can see the list of threads, yeah, just by pressing enter, and then go back to the statistics. I hope you can hear that. The cooler, the fans on my laptop are going crazy. The percentage always changes because as it discovers new functionality, it just adds it to the scope, and the proportion may decrease as well as increase with time. Yeah, I think I will take a pause in recording and then come back with the final results.